परिचय आपको पहले कराना है मुझे। श्रीमान सलील सेठी जी, आप संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के प्रतिनिधि हैं। मुख्य रूप से आपसे चर्चा वे ही करेंगे। सितंबर 2000 में संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ की एक बैठक में दुनिया के 189 देशों ने एक संकल्प लिया था जिसको सहस्त्राब्दी संकल्प कहा गया था और मुख्य रूप से गरीबी और भूख की समस्या का उन्मूलन, सार्वभौमिक प्राथमिक शिक्षा के लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति, सारे बच्चे स्कूल जाएं पढ़ें, लैंगिक समानता, महिला सशक्तिकरण, पर्यावरण सुधार, साफ पीने की सबको पानी की व्यवस्था, मातृ मृत्यु दर, शिशु मृत्यु दर में कमी लाना, मुख्य तौर पर उसके ये लक्ष्य थे। अभी 16 सितंबर को पूरी दुनिया में इन्हीं लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति के लिए जागरूकता पैदा करने के लिए कार्यक्रम स्टैंड अप के नाम से किया गया था। इस कार्यक्रम में मध्य प्रदेश में 33 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों ने भाग लिया था। मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के साथ मिलकर अपनी प्रतिबद्धता इन लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति के लिए जाहिर करती है। हम संकल्पबद्ध हैं और पिछले दिनों हमने जो कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ किए हैं वो इन्हीं लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति के लिए हैं, चाहे वो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को और मजबूत करने का मामला हो, रोजगार गारंटी योजना में आपकी जानकारी है। एक तरफ सारे देश ने कुल मिला के 52% पैसा खर्च किया है, अकेले मध्य प्रदेश ने 48% पैसा खर्च किया है। मातृ मृत्यु दर और शिशु मृत्यु दर में कमी लाने के लिए, बाल शक्ति और संजीवनी अभियान हम लोगों ने चलाया है। पहले गंभीर रूप से कुपोषित बच्चों की संख्या जहां मध्य प्रदेश में 5.5% थी, अब वो घट के 1% के नीचे हुई है। मातृ मृत्यु दर में कमी लाने के लिए संस्थागत प्रसव को बढ़ावा देने की अनेकों योजनाएं हमने प्रारंभ की है और जिसका परिणाम ये हुआ कि संस्थागत प्रसव 26% से बढ़कर 40% हुआ है। पानी बचाने के लिए जलाभिषेक अभियान महोत्सव, ऐसे अनेकों कार्यक्रम इन्हीं उद्देश्यों की प्राप्ति के लिए मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने पिछले साल प्रारंभ किए हैं। और हम एक बार फिर अपना संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं कि भूख और गरीबी मिटाने के लिए और जो बाकी लक्ष्य निर्धारित किए हैं उनकी प्राप्ति के लिए संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के साथ मिलकर मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेगी। स्टैंड अप उसी का एक हिस्सा और भाग था अपने संकल्प के प्रकटीकरण के लिए, लेकिन उसको अमल में लाने के लिए जो कार्यक्रम है उनके क्रियान्वयन में और आवश्यकता पड़ी तो नए कार्यक्रम और बनाने में मध्य प्रदेश सरकार पूरी शक्ति के साथ काम करेगी। महिला सशक्तिकरण के लिए भी हमने पिछले दिनों जो प्रयास प्रारंभ किए हैं वो भी आपकी जानकारी में है। मुझे केवल इतना कहना था। अब सेठी जी अपनी बात करें।
Very happy to be here today. I'm sorry that my Hindi is not very good, so I speak mostly in English, but my colleague Ajit Sahi, also from the UN Millennium Campaign, is much better in Hindi, so वो अगर जरूरत पड़ेगा तो वो अनुवाद करेंगे। अगर किसी को भी डाउट है तो आप पूछिए। First of all, I'm very pleased to be here today on behalf of the United Nations to be sitting alongside the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh government and the Minister of Agriculture Minister here. As the Chief Minister has said, the Millennium Development Goals were signed by world leaders in September 2000. 189 leaders, equally true at the national level and at the state level. Now, the Millennium Campaign, which I represent of the United Nations, has been created by Secretary General Kofi Annan to popularize these goals and to get the involvement of the public and the citizens in the achievement of these goals. We felt that unless there is a partnership between governments and society and the population, these goals are not likely to be achieved. And I think Madhya Pradesh is a very unique example where there is a collaboration between the government, between civil society organizations and the UN to promote the Millennium Development Goals, and that is why I agreed to come here this morning. And we have had a very spectacular success yesterday. Yesterday we had the Guinness Challenge record figures announced, and the Guinness World Record has been created now for the maximum number of people who have stood up against poverty and who have stood up for the Millennium Development Goals. And I think we can say with very great pride that India has the single largest number of people. We have a total of, out of the total of 23.5 million people who stood all over the world, 9.7 million was from India. So 9.7 million Indians stood up against poverty and stood up for the Millennium Development Goals. And within that, Madhya Pradesh was the highest. Madhya Pradesh created the record. It has the highest number of people amongst all the states in India. And Madhya Pradesh had 3.3 million people standing up against poverty. And within Madhya Pradesh, Indore, where we had a very big program yesterday, and that program with 55,000 people in Indore district, I think has over 1.5 lakh people have participated in the program. So we have many records which have been broken. The world record has been broken. India has created a record. Madhya Pradesh has created a record, and Indore has created a record. So we wanted to celebrate this, to recognize this, and to congratulate the people of Madhya Pradesh, and particularly the Chief Minister's leadership and Public Works Minister's leadership in this has been very central. So I wanted to personally congratulate you all as citizens of Madhya Pradesh for this big achievement. This is going to be a big news on the international stage. Now, of course, people will say, now if you have an event like this, how will it make a difference to the lives of people? Can you reduce poverty by having a stand-up event? Of course you cannot, because the event is only a starting point to create awareness, to make people more engaged on these issues. But as the Chief Minister said, the important thing is that the government of Madhya Pradesh is committing itself. This is not a rhetorical statement, these are not empty words. There is a deep commitment from the government and from the UN and from civil society inside Madhya Pradesh that we will achieve these goals. These goals are ambitious, they are not easy to achieve, but they are not impossible to achieve. If over the next 10 years we work in partnership and we are very firm, I think the goals can be easily achieved, and I think we have the commitment both from the UN and from the government of Madhya Pradesh. So we thought this is a very good opportunity to announce that there is going to be a long-term partnership between the UN and the Millennium Campaign and of course the government of Madhya Pradesh. We have to work out the details, but there is a strong commitment to follow from now up to the year 2015. So it will be a 10-year program. We have to think about the details. We are discussing it now. Secondly, also I have said that from the Millennium Campaign side, we would very much like to invite the government of Madhya Pradesh under the leadership of the Chief Minister to come to the UN in New York, so we can recognize the achievements from the stand-up campaign, and that Madhya Pradesh can become a model for the other states as well on how to involve communities and people in the achievement of the Millennium Development Goals